Lake Lanao, one of the world's 19 ancient lakes located on the southern Philippine island of Mindanao, is a 34,700 hectares of majestic lake and is considered the heart of the Mindanao people, an indigenous community often called People of the Lake. For centuries, it has been central to their spiritual, cultural, social, political, and economic life. Sadly, Lake Lanao faces significant degradation due to improper solid waste management, direct wastewater disposal, deforestation, and harmful agriculture practices. Despite various conservation efforts, the lake's condition continues to deteriorate, so we need a new approach, one that involves the community deeply and sustainably. We present to you Project NAWA, a community faith-based restoration project in Lanao and Agus River. Our biodiversity restoration project focuses on the reintroduction of Isoetes philippinensis, a native seagrass recently rediscovered and previously considered extinct. This species, which can improve water's quality in shallow and clear water lakes, will be cultivated through a seagrass plantation initiative along the lakeshore of Lake Lanao and rivers of Baloi neighboring communities in Lanao del Norte. This will benefit the condition of Lake Lanao and adjacent rivers and revitalize the livelihood of some 30,000 fisherfolks. Since Filipinos, more so Mindanao, are fond of drinking coffee in a communal manner, environmental education through kakapi session, which translate to drinking coffee together, and informal gatherings over coffee will be held within mosque sponsored by local coffee establishment, which will engage the community in an open discussions about environmental concern. These sessions will provide a platform for political, religious community members, and environmental advocates to connect and collaborate under the roof of masjid, a place close to everyone's heart.
Religious leaders will play a pivotal role in this initiative. By integrating environmental messages from the Holy Quran with scientific facts, they will emphasize the urgency to preserve the Lake Lanao. Educational materials such as posters, pamphlets, and videos will be made and distributed throughout the community. Masjids or mosque, which is usually visited 5 times a day, offer an excellent platform for integrating environmental messages on clean water conservation, biodiversity protection, and environmental empathy into the daily religious discussions. Meanwhile, food establishments, particularly coffee shops, can also be used as a hubs for raising awareness and encouraging actions against plastic waste. Through environmental education and practical conservation efforts, we aim to empower the Maranao community with our knowledge and skills needed to protect Lake Lanao. By aligning our skills with their spiritual beliefs and involving religious leaders, we strive to create a sustainable, community-driven for preservation of this vital resource.